Hello dear friend, if you want to learn OBS Studio, you are at the right place. In today's tutorial, we will learn all the basic settings, how to add scene, how to add sources, how to add webcam, how to add our display, video capture tools, webcam, etc. and how we can record our video at the best quality. Dear friend, if you are beginner, you want to learn OBS Studio, you in this video you will learn a lot, dear friend. It will help you too much, you can't imagine, dear friend. In today's tutorials, we cover all the basic points, and we have playlist of the OBS Studio on our channel. And go and see all the settings and write in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want to learn, dear friend. I will make a special tutorial for you in today's tutorials. Without wasting time, let's jump into our settings here. First, we want to add our scene here, create scene. Then we will go step by step all the settings, dear friend. But don't skip the video, all steps are very important. If you skip any step, you can't understand everything, so see the whole video, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's go into OBS Studio settings here. For display captures, first you have to add scene from here. You see here, scene to capture. I have already added scene 1, scene 2. From here, once you capture, okay, I have created scene 1 I am using, so I will use it. And you can rename scene from directly from here. And you see remove scene from. If you want to rename, direct F2 will click, and directly from here you can rename. From here, we will come here, we will add our display capture. Here you can add video capture, window captures. Here we, when we come here, display capture, actually you have to just click and you can rename. Okay, once you will click OK, your display will be appeared here. After that, you have to add here audio input through which you will speak, and I am speaking now. So audio input, you have to click here. Okay, you can rename from here. You can type anything, whatever you want. You can directly rename. Once you will okay, you will click and you have to choose from here. For example, I have Blue Yeti mic through which I am speaking now. I will click here and okay. Once it okay, you will click and it will appear here. Once it will appear here, you have to click here and filter. You see there are several points here: rename, remove, order, hide in mixer. You can hide. I want to add filters. Once your audio input capture is added here, and you can directly add filters to it, because a filter will clean your sound. We'll just click, and 3-band equalizer will add. It's okay, I will put this to default. And after that, we will add compressor will compress your sound. It will be not more attacking, it will be not more slow. It's no, I will put it to default. I will not touch this too much, but you can touch a little bit. You can change expander, we can add. Now we have added expander, ratio, threshold, attack, release, output gain. And from here we can add gain here. It will okay. Gain you can add little bit, but it's okay, I will put in default. Default is the best, but you can try. Invert polarity you can add. It's not so important. No preview available. You can delete if you want to delete. I will remove it, I don't want it. Okay, just remove. And now I want to add limiters. I will add limiters. It will limit the sound. This default is okay, this point. And you can change little bit, not too much. If you add too much, it will be distorted. Actually, your sound will be distorted. And noise gate, you can add. It will kill noise. It close threshold. It's only on default value by OBS Studio. It's the best, I think. It is okay. And from noise suppression is very important. When it will be very high noise, it will suppress. We will use it. There are two types here. You see, so CPU is slow, very low configuration. You can add low. I use okay. Once. And after that, you have to upward compressor. You have upward compressor. If your sound will be too much high, it will compress that upward sound. You see, this is actually are the default setting. It's very important to share these for good quality of video, dear friend. Okay, it's once it's okay, you see we have added. We will just close here. Now after that, we have added audio input capture, so here display capture, and we will come here, add our webcam. Come here, video webcam. Here I can write webcam trial. For obvious, we have trial. Okay, we will just click here. Okay, we will take here webcam. I have I webcam now. Once I click here. Okay, it will appear here. You see now, I am here inside our room. We will make it smaller. Like in this way, you can change. Oh, we have cut up. we can come 100% we can crop. Once we have added this webcam, from here we have to add crop filter, crop here, because I want to crop our room. You see everything is visible. I want to use it as our talking head video. We'll come here, filters, we'll add filters here. So I will add filter to our video, and we'll just click here, and here we will just will come here webcam here, and we'll add filter. Actually we will add filter to I want to add filter to crop and pad. You can color grade, you can background. From here you can do everything, lots of things here you see. But we learn today in our class, we crop. Okay, now we can add here. For example, I want to add 200 something crop, 400, 570, 519 something. You can type 600. We have crop almost. From here you can crop 100, 200. You can try by your way. Try 250. Okay, we have crop. Now I want to crop our right side. I will type. Okay, it's okay. You see, ideal. We have crop now, and we will close it. See, we will close, and we can drag anywhere, and you can drag from a smaller. And you see this corner, you do this corner, all this corner. You see here, like in this way, you can make a smaller. You can put anywhere. For example, I want to put here. You can put to this corner. You can put this corner. Make bigger, like bigger. You will make this smaller, like this. I can put somewhere. It's okay. And from here, if you don't want to see yourself on your the screen, you can just click here. You see invisible. It will be invisible. Invisible from here. You can lock. It's a no lock. It will be not change accidentally. But when you are recording, if you want to see it's visible, you can click and click from unlock. If you unlock, you can make. Once you lock here, you can't make change. See, I can't make change. Try yours. You can put any. The same way, you can add filter to your audio. From here, you see we have you can add from here like this pressor and war compressor noise from here everything. Air compressor we have added. This will be default. Okay. Settings I put always on default quality. But try, but don't touch too much. It will distort your quality. I don't change it. Here I have noise threshold, noise gate. This provide the best quality. In OBS Studio is only one screen recorder where you can get the best quality of your screen recorder and sound. Here you see better noise suppress. If your CPU is strong, use this good quality. More CPU says it is more. But your CPU is not low specs, low quality. It's low CPU, low quality. But I use hot compressor to see the threshold. Try change yourself. It little change how your sound, but I'm not the expert. It's default. This default setting for band equalizer, compressor, expander, gain, limiter, noise gate. All these are very ideal and best for your good quality, which I am speaking. So, yeah. Dear friend, if this class is useful, please subscribe the channel, write in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want. We have a lots of tutorials about video editing softwares, Cadence Live, DaVinci Resolve playlist there. But there are lots of software update. Subscribe the channel for software, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial, dear friend. Nowadays I am working hard, and when I don't see subscription, like, comment, actually disappoints me a lot, demotivate. Please subscribe, write, comment for more tutorial. If you want, I stay on this YouTube, dear friends. You have to subscribe, like, comment, shares, and you can spread this channel to the wider audience, dear friend. So actually this all everything is okay here. We will just close. You see, no idea. Here put this talking head video and audio capture in, everything is okay. And here you see, click here. Now I'm recording, so if I stop, it will stop recording. From here you start and stop recording. And live streaming, we will have soon tutorial about how to live stream. You can live stream from here. Studio mode, if you click, it will be like a studio mode in modes here. Once I click here, you see I have two modes, studio modes here. This is a program sim, so it's very good for live streaming. We just close here, dear friend. So this is our tutorial for OBS Studio. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.